Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
Hello everyone. Before we enter the tourist attraction, we must pay first. Hello, and now we will climb to the Mount Beruk. Let's follow. Many very various anything in the Beruk mountain. Let's go. A motorcycle part is only cars, so that is not even 2,000 rupiah. Try to greet the people around me. Hello, Sheila. Be careful during the rainy seasons because the road to the location has not been paved and has not been cast. The entrance is only a mountain range of rocks, so when it rains, the road becomes slippery and visitors must be careful. Jadi, berhati-hatilah saat musim hujan, karena jalan menuju ke lokasi Beruk Mountain itu belum beraspal dan belum dicor. Jalan masuk hanya jajaran batu pegunungan, sehingga saat hujan mengguyur jalan itu menjadi licin dan pengunjung harus hati-hati. In the morning, where the beautiful scenery is accompanied by a variety of green plants. So, let's go. We can also sit from here while enjoying the view and the fresh air in the mountains. in Beruk Mountain. Okay. And so fresh. Are you angry? Welcome back to my video. In here I want to traveling, and in here Ponorogo is special traveling and flooding and moment. Now seems to be a moment day of activity can be named. Well, for you traveler, Mount Beruk Ponorogo there can be next traveling agenda. This tourist destination is located in Tanggung Rejo Hamla. Karampatian is village Balong District Ponorogo. To get to the location of Mount Beruk from Ponorogo are approximately 45 minutes by talking by Ponorogo Pacitan. When you arrive when the Balong Market intersection turn right after in the Mumpel intersection. Entering gate Karampatian village left found in approximately 500 meters. There is intersection turning for those of you who want to visit in the near future. You can be careful entering the rainy season. The route to the location of Mount Beruk is not in, so it will be preparing and beautiful mountain. The interact free to this mountain is only 1,000 rupiah reader. Many should ride manual. The pricing for the motorbike is only 1,000 rupiah. The cost of parking is very. The topic of mountain attraction is because Indonesia involved in mountain in so mountain nature tourism is always interesting discussion for those of you in here. In Ponorogo area is a mountain beauty is very stunning. Its name is Mount Beruk. Mountain Beruk is from a sweet soaring pine forest. The highling is extremely altitude in tree hills so that people will come until hike open Ponorogo city from the tree house. The location of the mountain is in Karampatian village. This very beautiful outdoor landscape here because in property spot for many people. There are also interesting and romantic spots for couples just together. Even if you are a romantic spot for trick, you can take picture friend of lovers in one. But about Mount Beruk is a merit of the beauty and of the Beruk mountain. This mountain is located in Ponorogo. You can feel pause in interesting mountain. In very coming time forest is also the beautiful your favorite spot according to your taste or nature. Beruk also as one incorporate tourism icon that can be used photo spot too. Namely the coffee and the qualities of the most beautiful one. No wonder there are also many tourism and leading up to take picture on the mountain icon. They're recording.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday.
I'm sorry if there are mistakes. Thank you very much for your attention. The last I say, wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.